आज है 25 जनवरी और 25 जनवरी 10:30 पर हमारा जीरोधा वर्सिटी का क्विज था, जो कि हम पहले ही 15 मिनट लेट हो चुके हैं, उसके बाद अंदर आ गए हैं। तो देखते हैं, क्विज तो छूट ही गया तो मैं सोचा वीडियो ही बना लो। और मेरे साथ मेरा टीम है, जो कि टीम 3 ऑफ मेंबर का एक टीम होता है, और हम अपने टीम के साथ आए और हमारी टीम जल्दी जल्दी ढूंढ रहे तो मिल गई है। और हमें कुछ दिया गया है कि इनसे लिखना है, हमारे एक हर टीम वाइज ही मिलता है, तो अकेले नहीं लिखना है। और ऑडिटोरियम काफी अच्छा है।
Round of applause from my audience as well. Go on. So I've seen a few of them as volunteers standing outside. It's nice to see them grab a place in the Zerodha Varsity quiz today. I have Bhavadarani. Right. Over to Bhavadarani. Then I have Harshini and Pushti. The first runners-up, which is Team 1. I like to invite Team 1 on stage. The first runners-up for today. We have Yash Agarwal. You are Yash. Then we have Mayank Agarwal. And we have Navleen Kaur. Congratulations. And the goodie bags for them as well. Thank you. And of course, with the loudest round of applause, I would like to call upon the winners, which is Team 5. Come on, winners. We have Harshavi, who is the accidental participant today. Adarsh, congratulations. And we have Sandesh. Congratulations to the winners of Zerodha Varsity Quiz at IIM Jammu, and goodie bags for them.
ये हमारे नमूने फ्रेंड पहले ही आके बैठ गए नमूने। ओहो, आ जाओ आ जाओ।
On time this morning. Apologies for the delay. We were waiting for some of the teams to come. In fact, we are still waiting for some teams to come. I hope they do come in time for the questions to start. And one of the organizers told me that there are a lot of teams that are going and sitting behind in the last rows. All I'm asking is, can you see the screen from there? Can you read the words from there? If you can. People in the last row, clear enough? Okay, you will be able to read the letters, right? Or the words. All right, perfect. So with this, let's start off the Zerodha Varsity Quiz at IIM Jammu. And all right, so you have learned from Zerodha Varsity. Okay, he is a very good contender. Most of our quiz questions might be from Zerodha Varsity things also. So those of you who are familiar, who have gone through Zerodha Varsity, it will be slightly easier for you. We are presenting this quiz by Zerodha Varsity. Of course, our institute partners is IIM Jammu with Nidhi Corporate Finance Club, who has coordinated this entire thing. This would not have been possible without the efforts of Nidhi Finance Club. So a round of applause for them as well. And of course, the Q Shala, the quiz partner. We are from Q Shala. This is Akshana. With me, I have Anip, and we will be taking you through the quiz today. And a very small introduction of ourselves. What we do is we use colleges, corporates, maybe even a birthday party. So if you feel like, oh my God, it's my dad's 50th birthday and I want a nice quiz around him, if you give us details about him, we will also curate a quiz for you. And something that's very huge fact about us is we are present in Limca Book of Records. And you know how that happened. Thank you for that. So one of our teammates was going to Antarctica for an exploration, and just before he went, he said, hey, you know what, can I conduct a quiz in Antarctica? We said yes. We curated a quiz for him, and then after the quiz, after he came back, we realized that that was the first time a quiz ever happened in Antarctica. So that got us the Limca Book of Records. And what happens when you achieve something? What do you feel?
Very awesome.
You feel great. After that, what do you want to do? Achieve more. And that happened to Q Shala as well, because then we said, Arey yaar, we have a Limca Book of Records, so let's go conduct a quiz on every continent. How many continents? 7. We were confident. 7, yes. So we went and conducted a quiz on every continent, and that's how we got our second Limca Book of Records. And with that, of course, there's something at stake, otherwise all of you will not be here. What we have at stake is the winners take away 12,000. The first runner-up takes away 9,000. and the second runner-up takes away 3,000 rupees. Along with that, of course, you all got a little bit of goodies. You get one more goodies if you qualify for the finals. We also have audience prizes, so stay till the end of the quiz for the audience prizes as well. We have a social media contest that's happening. If you take a video or a picture and tag Zerodha Varsity, Yushala and Karthik Rangappa, after a week we will see how many likes you've got and the person, we're going to choose 3 top people with the highest number of reactions on social media, and you will be getting 3,000 rupees each from Zerodha as well. And with this, are we ready for the quiz? Yes. Alright, and let's start off without waiting too much. Let us look at the rules. There are 20 questions. The prelims have no negatives at all, so don't worry if you get the wrong answer. There are some star mark questions which are tiebreakers. That means if more than one team gets the same marks, then the questions that are star marked will be taken into consideration. Clear, right? Okay, at least one mixed gender team will be selected for the final. That means even if you haven't made the cut to the top, but if you are a mixed gender team and there are no mixed gender teams in the top 5, then the 6th team will be chosen as the mixed gender team. How many mixed gender teams here? Most of you seem to be mixed gender. Okay, perfect. And the quiz master's decision or my decision and Anand's decision will be final in case there is any kind of confusion. Okay? And wishing you all the best. Here's your first question. The educational posts. You can see the posts on the screen. It says, "Where's the moolah?" And everybody will get a piece of action. Okay, not so bad. Not too difficult, not too easy, neutral. Very few hands going up for that. Okay? And how many of you felt, "Arey yaar, ye bhi quiz hai kya?" Nobody? Okay. So nobody found it extremely easy. Okay, somebody found it extremely easy. Alright. While we're waiting for everybody to hand over the answer sheet, while they quickly correct and come back to us with the finalists, do you all want to take a look at the answers? Yes? Alright.
वायरल करना है।
Any team that has not handed over the answer sheet so far? Guys, all of you have given your answer sheets? After this, I will not be accepting because I'm going to show you the answers on the board.
Oh,
All the answer sheets given?
answer.
Okay. And let us quickly take a look at the answers as well. First question. If you know the answer, please raise your hand and we will choose. That was the first hand that went, so I'm going to go with you. Can I have one volunteer to give the mic? Yeah. There. Yeah. She's giving you the mic. You can answer.
So it is Mahakum.
It is Mahakum. And what made you think it's Mahakum?
Because the community you have listed here, so that's a big amount.
Okay, everything is running into thousands of crores.
Yeah.
And that is the right answer. A round of applause for him. And a notebook that goes out to, what's your name? Kaushal. A notebook going out to Kaushal. The answer, of course, is the Kumbh Mela or the Mahakumbh Mela. What is the difference between Kumbh and Mahakumbh?
12 and 144 years.
144 years, that is 12 into 12, 144 years. Alright, and moving on to our next question. For the next question, wow, that hand has already gone up. Please give him the mic.
JNK Bank.
The JNK Bank is the right answer. Great job, and he receives a notebook. Did you get a notebook? Your notebook is coming. Yes, the JNK Bank is absolutely the right order. What I am surprised is that hand went up even before the question came. Arey yaar, you remember the order of the question? Amazing. Okay, let's keep the hands ready. This time I'm going to ask one of the volunteers to tell me. Can you tell me which is the first hand that went up for the next question? Keep looking. choice. I didn't even see. Okay. So, which sector did Warren Buffett not invest in? Technology. Let's see if that is the right answer. How many of you think that is the right answer? Absolutely yes. The answer is technology. Okay. We will give. Will you tell me the first hand that goes up? Okay. Wow. One hand went up even before the question came. Okay. Here's your question. I guess it's big. There. Okay.
Ma'am, Tata Tea.
And it is a tribute to Tata Tea and tribute to Ratan Tata. Is there anybody else who feels differently? Yes, please give the mic to him. He didn't know? Matlab, but he gave me the answer. Okay, but he said Tata Tea. The question moves on there. Taj Mahal and the person is? Taj Mahal and the person is Ratan Tata. Any other answer?
Yes. Go ahead. Say it. Tell me the tea brand and
Taj Tea and Zakir Hussain.
Yes, it is Taj Mahal tea and the person is Zakir Hussain. Zakir Hussain has been the face of Taj Mahal tea forever. Alright? A book to be handed over to him. You got it? Okay. Moving on to our next one. Hands. Okay, I saw her hand going up. Can we give her the mic? Candlestick. You think this is a candlestick? Do you all agree? Okay, somebody is saying no, you have a different answer? Huh? Okay. He changed his answer to her. Yes, ma'am. Alright, she is absolutely right. The answer is candlestick. A round of applause. What statistic was created by the Sagasi research? Alright. Hey, not for the same person can't raise hands again. Yes.
It's Saga Q.
It is?
Saga Q.
I still think that's the wrong answer. Maybe anybody else taking a dig at it? The last person? Huh? Wrong answer.
Big basket.
Big basket.
bucket sampling.
Bucket sampling. Okay. Answers, more answers. Come on.
साले पता ही नहीं क्या बोलो.
No more answers. Hurry, hurry. Which is this company that sells things by the bucket? It is the KFC Index. And that's why I kept saying bucket is in quotes. Don't think of a literal bucket. Okay. The KFC Index. Okay. Moving on to our next one. Oh, for the next question. Whatever. Okay. You will be looking out for others as well in case he gets the answer wrong. The next question. Call the divide. It's Paytm. Can you sing the jingle for us? Should we give him the book? Make him sing the jingle. Say it. Come on. Sing it. अरे जिंगल में 2 वर्ड है यार, बोल दो. या तो बुक नहीं मिलेगी आपको. अरे
पेटीएम करो.
Absolutely yes, the answer is Paytm. And so please take a look for the next question. Moving on to the next one, the paradox of value. Okay, who? He raised. They finished, no? That team has already given an answer. This one, there. Okay. Diamond and water. How many of you agree with him?
कोई.
You have a different answer? What is it? Diamond and oxygen. Diamond and oxygen. Yes? What? Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels and air. This time I must say the first person actually got it right. The answer is diamond and water paradox. So those of you who've given only one answer right, you will still be getting 0.5 marks for this question. And moving on to our next one. The volunteer with the white jacket, please tell me who is the one who raised their hand first. The scam involving artificially inflating. You just answered, I won't be able to give you a chance. The blue jacket there. Absolutely right. The answer is pump and dump for this one. So they pump up the price and they dump the stocks. Good job. Now I'm going to put a new rule to the volunteers. They will have to lift their hands after the question comes up. Okay, and here it is.
This is
Short-term debt tools by the government. There? Okay. Bonds. Okay, you wanted to give a different answer. Treasury bills is the right answer. Round of applause. And it's also called T-bills. Yes, you're absolutely right. The treasury bills or the T-bills is the right answer. And moving on to our... Okay, no, I really need to choose a volunteer again. Harshini, your choice, your chance to choose the volunteer. There are some... No, you can't raise. There are some people who are complaining that their side of the auditorium is not being looked into. So make sure. I'm not even looking. The next question. Short form news app by The Economist magazine. Harshini. Okay. Espresso, absolutely. It's a shot of espresso early in the morning. Espresso, The Economist espresso. Great job. Energy खत्म हो गई. Applause तो दे यार. Okay. And moving on to our next question. This one. The last one. Huh? Oh, you already answered. You also already answered. Okay, go ahead. Gift? This question. अभी क्या हो रहा है इधर? एक अलग क्वेश्चन. उसका तो पनिशमेंट करना है अभी. Anybody else? You have already answered the question. Oh, you answered. Okay. Okay, good job. And what does it stand for? Sorry?
Give him a mic, please. Mic.
Alright, good job. Yes. The answer is Aesop's fables, and that was the synonym I was looking for stories, fables or stories, and employee stock ownership plan. Okay? And who else? Will you tell me the next person? You only. The next person who raises their hand. And the question for you. Which city in India? Okay, she's coming up with the name. Gift City in Gandhinagar is the right answer. आप लोगों ने क्या कर दिया यार? Question ही नहीं देखा, आंसर दे दिया आपने. Competition बहुत ज़्यादा है. Yes, the answer is Gift City or Gujarat International Financial Tech City or Finance Tech City. Alright. The next volunteer who will you look and tell me? You have to come here because then you can't see
भाई
them.
मैं अपना वीडियो नहीं.
I don't want hands raised right now. Don't raise. And I'm showing you the question. The term referred to sustained increases found in the stock market during the last 5 days of. Okay, you raise your. Have you already answered the question? Oops. You also answered? Okay, she hasn't, so she will get the first chance. Please give her the mic. Absolutely. Yes, Santa Claus Rally it is. It's called the Santa Claus Rally. So much in tune or in line with the season itself. Okay? Huh? Santa Claus. Oh, you're looking Santa Claus Rally. Santa Claus that comes with a. Okay, we only had Santa Claus in mind. You know, January, February rally. Moving on to the next one. Predatory lenders, hands up. Okay, he raised his hands. Can we go with him?
सर्च किया था ना इसी नहीं
Personal loan.
Definitely it's a personal loan, but it has a term for it. Okay. Ninja loans. What made you think of ninja loans? The picture. Okay. And that is the right answer. Ninja loans it is. That is a lender giving a borrower money without audit verification or any kind of proof. Good job. Are the books also being given? Did you get a book? Volunteers, have you given the book to him? Okay. Perfect. And moving on. We are on the 16th question. First hand went up there. I forgot to mention which volunteer, sorry, but I saw the hand. She says the city is Rajkot. Any other answers? Rajkot उधर से आया है आंसर. She already said Rajkot. Yeah. All right, Rajkot is the right answer. Oh, you guys had a different answer, no? What was your answer? Surat. Okay, yeah, possible. Could have been one of the richer cities as well. Okay, and a book goes out to the person who said Rajkot. And moving on. This one. Okay, but you already answered one. He answered. Okay. He raised his hand, so.
सेम टीम है ना मैम वी शुड गेट बात तीन लोग मैम वहां तीन लोग ने आंसर
गलत
गोल्ड नो नो माइक साइन
गोल्ड की साइंटिफिक नेम पूछ लो मैम इससे
साइन
Sign language. Are you, yaar, which question, which answer are you talking?
गोल्ड होगा इसका
He gets it. Yes, gold is the right answer.
गोल्ड तो मैं
Actually, I think I should start giving some kind of punishment.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं देखा
One leg or something.
अबे इसका आंसर गोल्ड बताया था ना तो
Okay,
मैं बोला
gold is absolutely the
अबे
right
मैं
answer.
क्वेश्चन ही नहीं ध्यान दे रहा था
Otherwise, lot of fight is happening about who is giving the right answer. Who
अबे
is
साले
going to
मैं
choose
वीडियो के
next?
चक्कर मैं पीछे घूम गया था वीडियो बना लो मैं बोर्ड पे देखा ही
You have to
नहीं
come here. Okay. I'm scared to even look at you people.
एक आंसर
Alright? You ready? And the question comes up. अरे
साला ये जूम ये नहीं लिखा
No, I don't know. She has to see. Okay? Okay, he says Monopoly. I need more answers. There. And, okay, next to you. Cash again. Okay, to you.
Snake and ladders.
Snakes and ladders.
ओ
Yes, the answer is
देख
snakes and ladders. Alright.
दो बुक
The next The next volunteer. The next volunteer.
नहीं ये
Come.
आयुष ताकि सेम ग्रुप में सब ले
Are you ready? And the next question coming
दो
up.
बार मिल गया यहाँ हम लोग नंबर इसका देखा था ना जो था दूसरा ही हैं
Fishing or credit card scam.
Fishing or credit cards? Scam. Any other answers? What do you want to say?
Cybercrime.
Cybercrime? Same. Cyber phishing? Cyber phishing. Okay, you are absolutely right. It is
साइबर फिशिंग
phishing or voice phishing. That is the right answer. Okay, and I think with this we will be coming to the last one. Before I show you, not accepted. Before I show you the answers, I want to ask if the list of finalists is ready. Okay. Alright, and now we shall go on to the last question. My God, lot of Harshini, over to you to choose the right person. You can either go all the way back or you can come all the way front. Not now. They can't lift their hands now. You can't lift your hands now. Okay, Harshini has decided to go all the way back. Are you ready? Okay, and the question. The one in the green. Haven't you answered before? Arey yaar.
Sign language.
And that is the right answer.
तीन कॉपी लिया भाई बेमान
It is sign language. A huge round of applause for all the answers so far.
तीनों ने लिया सर्च किया
And with this, we come to the end of the prelims round. Very soon, I will be calling the finalists on stage. How many of you, now that you know the answers, how many of you think you will definitely be on stage? Raise your hands. Different format, so the teams on the stage, please listen to the rules carefully. So we will start off with the first round, which is the Popuri round. Have you all heard of the word Popuri before? Alright, so we're going to go with 6 questions clockwise starting from team 1. You get 20 points for the right answer on a direct or pass. And there is no negative points for direct or pass. However, there is a chance for you all to pounce. That is, all the teams that are sitting on stage, you can pounce. So let us say, for example, the question is given to team 1. I will ask team 1 not to give the answer immediately. The rest of the teams, if you pounce, you will write the answer and show it to me. If the answer is right, you get plus 20. But if the answer is wrong, you also get minus 20. But when the question is for team 1 and they get the answer wrong, they don't get any negatives. And when I pass, the question goes to the teams that have not pounced. So let us say the question is for team 1. 2, 3 and 5 have pounced. So after team 1 gets it wrong, it goes to team 4 and it goes to team 6. Any doubts about how the process is? Yes? No. On the pass, you will not lose points. If you pounce right and show me the answer, you will lose points. Okay? Do you all want to check your mics once? Does it work? If you're ready, team 1, this is a direct question for you, while the rest of you will have an opportunity to pounce. Here's your question. In the 1950s, India was setting up public sector enterprises as part of its industrial policy. The Planning Commission was facing challenges in finding competent executives to run them. In 1959, Professor George Robbins of UCLA was invited by the Planning Commission to do a study and suggest possible solutions. What did he propose, which was implemented a few years later? This is a direct question for team 1. The rest of you teams have a chance to pounce. The teams who want to pounce, please raise your hands. Please remember, if you pounce and your answer is wrong, you will get minus 20. But if your answer is right, you will straight away get plus 20 into your kitty.
So they invited Professor George Robbins from UCLA, and he proposed certain changes or something. He proposed something which helped them find competent executives. What did he propose? Any bounces? No bounces. So the question goes to team 1. Team 1, please give me an answer. If you don't give me an answer in 5 seconds, it will move.
Is it Navratna Gems?
Navratna Gems is the wrong answer. Team 2,
Pass.
pass. Team 3,
So do we get a negative marking?
you don't. When it's passed, you don't get
Is
negative.
it the 5-year plan?
The 5-year plan is the wrong answer. Team 4, pass. Team 5, and Team 6. Nationalization of companies in different sectors is unfortunately the wrong answer. Let's take a look at the answer itself. It's a complete facepalm moment for all of you. And the answer is IIMs. So IIMs was to be set up is what he said, and that came up with IIM Kolkata being the first one to be established in 1961. Alright. Okay, so no points given or taken from anybody. All teams stand at 0. And the next question for team 2. Team 2, are you ready? Alright. The main ideas behind this term of movement came from 1992 best-selling book Your Money or Your Life, written by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. It provides the basic template of combining a lifestyle of simple living with income from investments. What popular term or movement are we talking about? Do not give the answer loudly. And I will wait for the other teams to pounce. If you think you know the answer, please write it down. But on pounce, it's either plus 20 or minus 20. And we will, in fact, give out more goodies to the audience. If the finalists are not able to answer, I will be passing it on to the audience after they are not able to answer. I will call you first. Pakka. Alright, anybody pouncing? If you're pouncing, you'll have to raise your hands right now. And there are no hands going up, no bounces. Team 2, take a stab at it. The 50, 30, 20 rule is the wrong answer. Team 3. Team 4. Pass. Team 5. Personal finance is the wrong answer. And Team 6. Passive investments. Okay, we have a hand going up there. Can you please explain? Perfect. That is the right answer. Can you give her a goodie? Alright, that is the right answer. Oh my god, and I actually forgot to ask team 1, but I asked them here and unfortunately they did not have the right answer. The answer is FIRE, Financial Independence and Early Retirement, or Retire Early. Alright.
फ्यूचर के लिए मैं काम कर रहा हूँ.
Team 3, here's your question. In 1730, a devastating fire struck Philadelphia, causing damages worth thousands of pounds. A columnist in the Gazette suggested that with better firefighting equipment, the fire could have been contained. He even pioneered the creation of fire brigades and fire insurance. The question for you, name the scientist, diplomat and statesman. The teams on the stage, you can pounce if you have the answer. The minus 20 seems to be deterring everybody from taking a stab at it. Okay, you raised first, you raised second. I'll come back to you if I don't get answers from the finalists. This is a direct question to team 3. Name the scientist, diplomat and statesman. Okay, team 3, you need to give me an answer now. 5, 4, 3, 2, take a chance, you're not losing any points. 1, and you are going to pass. Team 4, Take a stab. Come on. Thomas Alva Edison is his answer. Unfortunately, wrong answer. Team 5. Michael Faraday is again the wrong answer. Team 6. Again wrong answer. Team 1. Not answering. Team 2. Pass. And yes. All right, we have audience who's saying Benjamin Franklin. Let's see if that is the right answer.
Answer is Jai.
That is the right answer. A round of applause for the audience from the finalists. Come on, all of you can clap for them. Yes. And to be handed goodies, you can get your bag of goodies. And moving on, the next question is a direct question for Team 4. Team 4, are you ready? And here's your question. The Credito Emiliano Bank in Reggio Emilia accepts what locally produced commodity as collateral for loans. There's even a Harvard Business School case study on this practice titled Credem Banking on Dash. So just like you give your house papers or your vehicle papers to take a loan, the Reggio Emilia, which is the Credito Emiliano Bank, accepts something else as a collateral. What do you think they accept as collateral? Okay, I have one hand that's gone up in the audience, but let's wait for the rest of them to answer. Team 4, you have 5 seconds to come up with the answer. No point. Yes, Team 4, go ahead, give me an answer. Tomatoes. Okay, that's a very interesting answer, but unfortunately it's the wrong answer. Team 5. Wow. Okay, wrong answer again. Team 6. All right, can you be more specific? Cheese. Okay, you can bounce now. Okay, Team 1, you can bounce now.
Cheese.
Team 2.
Ma'am, we have another answer. We can be more specific.
No, now you can't. You get one chance. Specific. Oh, you mean in the cheese? Write it down, please. And you? Okay, and you? Yes, it is. Can you show me your answer? Oh, no. What was your? All right. They started them off on the cheese routine, so they deserve something, but they did not give me the entire answer. For that reason, shall we give them 5 points?
Yes.
10 I can't give you. Oh, 10. This is a 20-point question. Okay, 10 points to them. And Team 3, please give me the answer loudly on the mic. Okay, mic.
It's the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese.
All right, that is the right answer. Yes, it is the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese or the Parmesan cheese. So just like we give property papers or we give jewelry as collateral, you can actually give cheese as collateral and borrow money from the bank. All right, great job, Team 3. So we now have Team 6 on 10 points and Team 3 on 20 points. Now the question moves on to Team 5. Team 5, this is your direct question. What marks are these that are found on a common everyday item? The audience also can think of raising their hands if you think you know the answer. Newspaper, Team 1. Pass, Team 2. Team 3.
Remotes.
Remotes, Team 4. Lift and over to the audience. You raise your hand. Sorry? No. All these are found on something. Okay. Lottery card system. Okay, the person with the video camera.
Pencil.
Pencil. Wow. Yes.
Dice.
Huh?
Dice.
Give me the answer. You will not get any points even if you give me the answer now. It is something that people carry around with them, but unfortunately nowadays we don't have too many of these in our pockets. What kind of cash? What kind of cash? Yes, the answer is mint marks on Indian coins. As you can see, coins are minted in 4 different mints across India: Mumbai, Kolkata, Hyderabad and Noida. And to say from which mint it has been minted, you have a different mark on each of the coins. So the point system, Team 3 stands at 20, Team 6 stands at 10, and the rest of the teams are yet to begin their accounts. Alright, the last question on this round, going out to Team 6, here it is. In this segment of Zerodha Varsity video series, which incident is being referred to? It caused Berkshire Hathaway to face its first ever loss. Do not shout the answer, please keep the answer to yourself. It caused Berkshire Hathaway to face its first ever loss in book value and a colossal loss of 2.5 billion in insurance segment.
First, Berkshire Hathaway during 2001 faced the first ever loss in its book value. It plunged by 6.2%, but S&P had fallen by almost 12%. So Warren was happy about it because they had outperformed the S&P by almost 6%. Now, why did he prefer to have a slight margin over the S&P 500? Because he said, if the economy is going to grow, the index will grow, and a slight margin every year will amount to a large margin over multiple years. Now, coming to his insurance business.
The other teams, you can pounce and tell me if you're bouncing.
His insurance business, because of General Lee, they suffered losses of almost $2.5 billion.
Alright, this is a direct question for Team 6. Team 6, do you have an answer? 2008 financial crisis is the wrong answer. Team 1. Stock split, wrong answer. Team 2. Pass. Team 3.
Dot-com bubble.
Pass. Oh, wrong. Team 4. Team 5. Los Angeles fires. Okay, that is the wrong answer. You had raised your hand, let me know.
It's Northeast 1994 there is event happened in Los Angeles. Northeast something like.
That is the
Northeast
wrong
earthquake.
answer. It's the wrong answer. Yes. 9/11, what was your answer? That was also 9/11. Yes, you're right. A round of applause for him. And the answer is the 9/11 terror attacks. The stocks in the US plummeted. And the best part was they all plummeted. The entire percentage was 12%, but Warren Buffett's stocks fell 6%. So that itself is a gain for him because throughout the country it was 12%, but for him it was only 6%. And this brings us to the end of round 1. At the end of round 1, we have Team 3 with 20 points, Team 6 with 10 points, and the rest of the teams will start their accounts in the next round. A round of applause for yourselves. Come on. अरे यार मुझे एनर्जी चाहिए. Guys, I need energy. I can't function without energy. All right. Okay, and if you're ready, let's move on to our next round. I just announced the scores. The next round is the image reveal round, and let's look at the rules. Teams, concentrate on the rules. There are 6 questions again, 1 question per team. We will start anti-clockwise. That means we'll start with Team 6. A clue and an image will be provided, and you have 60 seconds to guess the answer. 4 guesses per question. That means 1 guess per reveal is given. Okay? And each wrong guess will reveal a block. If you reveal on the first block, reveal 20, second it is plus 15, third it is plus 10, or if you give me the answer on the 4th reveal, it is plus 5. And with this, let's, I think I have an audience question first to be an example question. The teams will be quiet. This is an audience question. Audience, are you ready? Yes.
Yes, and identify the two brothers. No hands going up, no hands going up. Come on, identify the two brothers. Second image being revealed. Still no hands going up. You want to take a guess? Say it loudly. Oh, you're it. Okay, he also told me the answer. Go ahead. Yes, that is exactly the right answer. So, a round of applause to both of them and goodies as well. Please give it to both of them. The answer, of course, is Nitin and Nikhil Kamath. Alright, and the teams, did you understand how this is going to go? Any doubts? The first question going out to team 6. Here is your first question. And I'm revealing the first one for plus 20. Take a guess. You only have 60 seconds. If you tell me pass, I will reveal the next image. Next image. Okay, showing the next image to the participants. This is not a pass question. Alright, they are saying it is NASDAQ. Let's quickly take a look and see if that is the right answer. And here it is. The answer is NASDAQ. Okay, and team 6 gets plus 20. No, sorry, plus 15. This was on the second reveal. Team 6 gets plus 15. And moving on to team 5. Team 5, are you ready? Alright, here's your question. And your first image is being revealed now.
बोलेगा तो वो टीम के लिए हमारे लिए नहीं.
Wrong answer is allowed, no negative points. Go ahead, guess it on the mic. This does not come back to the audience. Okay, they are telling me Jan Dhan Yojana. How sure are you of this answer?
Correct.
Alright, let's quickly take a look and see if they have given me the right answer. Do you still stand with your same answer after looking at the full thing?
Zero account.
Alright, that is 20 points to Team 5. Team 5 has opened their account with 20 points. Great job. They got the answer right on the first reveal. Okay, Team 4. Ready? And here's your question. Identify an insurance company that has a joint venture with an Indian bank. You have 1 minute and 4 reveals to give me the answer. You don't have any negative points. You can just take a guess. If it's wrong, I will go ahead and reveal the next one. Huh? Alright, that's the wrong answer. So going on to plus 15. This is an insurance company that has a joint venture with an Indian bank. You only have 25 seconds left. Do you want the next reveal? Yes? This is the next reveal. Say it loudly. I need the full answer. Okay, their answer is ICICI Lombard. Let's quickly check what the answer itself is, because it is ICICI Prudential. Very, very close, but you got slightly confused with the company. Unfortunately, I'll not give you marks, but that was excellent effort, Team 4. A round of applause for the effort they put in. And moving on to Team 3. Team 3, are you ready? Here you go. Identify this fintech app. Audience, quiet.
आगे आंसर.
Next.
Close to 35 seconds. Okay, that's the wrong answer, so I'm moving on to the next one.
जा रहे
I will not be able to give it to you people because the audience gave it to you, but you said.
But we can't argue with this, right? It's there.
Unfortunately, no, because you did not know the answer, so you will not be getting points for this. Team 3, but Team 3, you already have 20 points in your kitty, so don't worry too much. And the answer, of course, is jar. And my dear audience, please do not say the answer out loudly. Okay, you will not tell the answer loudly, all of you. Okay, moving on to Team 2. Team 2, this is your question. Identify this Indian government organization. I request the audience to be quiet. You can take a guess. You can take 4 different guesses.
Drupal.
Huh?
Drupal.
Wrong answer. So moving on to the next one. You have 30 seconds left. You can ask for another image reveal if you want. You want the last image reveal? Alright. And this is the last image reveal. You have the entire logo of this Indian government organization. Which one do you think this is? 5 more seconds left. Audience, raise your hands. Hand here. Okay, that's a half hand. I don't know whether I should consider that. And one hand there. All right. Okay, go ahead. Tell me. Huh? Gale is the wrong answer.
CCI.
Let's see if can you also tell me what CCI stands for?
I don't know.
All right. It is CCI or the Competition Commission of India. Great job on that. And a set of goodies to him. It is CCI, and we finally come to the last image reveal question for Team 1. Team 1, excited? Okay, and here's your question. Identify the person on this currency note.
भाई मैं ईमानदारी से बताया
You have to give me the name of the person on the note. There are no negative points.
यूरोपियन
Audience, quiet. This is like minding a class. King Charles, wrong answer. Moving on to the next image reveal. You have 15 seconds. If you want, I can do the last image reveal. Do it. Two seconds. 1, 0, and your time is up. Come on. Okay. Huh? Wrong answer. Charles Darwin is the right answer. Can we give him some goodies, please? Impossible. That's not possible. We needed you to tell us Charles Darwin. So at the end of round 2, can I ask Annette to read out the scores?
तो खुद तो पर्सन करता हाँ तो पर्सन में आ जाता है यूरोप का अब मैं सोचा
Team 6 with 25 points, Team 5 20 points, Team 3 20 points, Team 1, 2 and 4 with 0 points.
Alright, and with that we finish 2 rounds of our 5-round quiz and we move on to an audience question. This audience has anyway been answering all the questions so far. So, I require you to, of course, raise your hands with the right answer. The question for you, in the opening scene of Scam 1992, a person from SBI enters the Times of India office looking to speak with an editor to report a financial scam. Who does he encounter first? The video
I will give you the chance, but let's look at the video.
एग्जीक्यूटिव एडिटर, सिटी एडिटर, स्पोर्ट्स एडिटर, बिजनेस एडिटर।
सर आप मुझे किसी से भी मिला दीजिए सर, मेरे पास बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है और टाइम वेस्ट किया सर, तुम कल की क्लास में तो आज खड़े के फांसी हो जाएगी सर। सर आप कहें तो मैं आपको सुना सकता हूं, सीनियर एडिटर तो लगी रहती।
आई एम जस्ट ए कॉमन मैन।
All right. So one of them raised their hands. Do you have the answer? No answer. You've already given an answer before. You've also given an answer before. Any new hands? You both have given the answers. Okay. Wrong answer. Yeah. R.K. Lakshman. How do you know it's R.K. Lakshman?
लास्ट में
The cartoon?
पहले मैंने
The movie you've seen is R.K. Lakshman, and if you watch the video carefully, he says, "Arey, I'm just a common man." And the common man is the iconic cartoon of R.K. Lakshman itself. Congratulations, and we move on to our next round. So here's the details of our next round.
हम लोगों के लिए
Yes, we already did the scores. So the next round is 3 clues. Round 3. Test your buzzers. So all the teams, please open www.buzzin.live. buzzin.live. Not the audience, please. I'm not even giving you the code. I have a very smart audience here. I have to be extra careful at this point. All the teams, do you have buzzin.live? buzzin.live. She is going to come and write the code on the paper. Here. And you can enter the code onto your mobile. So what happens in buzzin.live is, this is a buzzer round. Whoever buzzes first will get a chance to answer. And the order is also shown on the system. On the phone for you all. So you also will know who is the first team to buzz. So it's absolute transparency. Not only the master buzzer, but each of you will know who has buzzed first. Okay? Rounds always carry negative points. The reasoning is simple, because otherwise everybody will press the buzzer. So you will definitely get negative points if you give me the wrong answer. So while you all clue in your buzzers, here are the rules. You have 3 parts or 3 clues to each question. All the clues will be given on the buzzer, but the most important rule is only 1 attempt per question. That means whether you buzz on clue 1 or clue 2 or clue 3, you can only buzz once. And the negatives are also written there. If you buzz on clue 1, you get plus 50 or minus 15. If you buzz on clue 2, you get plus 15 or minus 10. On clue 3, it is plus 10 or minus 5. So let us say you buzzed on clue 1 and you got minus 15. You will not be allowed to buzz again for that question. Team 2? Team 3? Okay. Team 4? Team 5? Team 6? Okay. All of you are in the buzzers. Please don't buzz right now. Just 5 seconds. Team 3, are you also done? Okay. I will need you to buzz on the count of 3. Okay? Because we are testing the buzzers. We are trying to see how this works. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And all of you can scroll on your phones and see who is the first, the second, the third. Yes? Can you announce? Yeah. Oh. Hey, you guys will have to give your team number. Otherwise, how will we know? Yes, we have done team. Which team has not given it? We're going to try the buzzers again. On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3.
जो ज्यादा बताएगा वो लेगा।
Once you buzz, and can you also see the order? What are the teams that have buzzed now? Read out. Let's start the buzzer round. I don't want to be in the middle for anyone. Okay. Here's question 1. Hands on the buzzer do not buzz. The buzzers have been reset. And here's your question. The Little Book of Indian Business is a compilation of their best articles over the past 5 years.
What do you think is the answer here? If you know the answer, press the buzzer. If none of you going for the buzzer, I will go on for clue 2. Another 5 seconds. The question is, you have to tell me which company or what is this. The Little Book of Indian Business is a compilation of their best articles. So whose best articles is this? Alright, nobody has pressed the buzzer, which means I will move on to clue 2. Clue 2 is, co-founded by 4 IIM Ahmedabad batchmates, Shrehit, Banu, Pavan and Lokesh. This particular thing was co-founded by people from IIM Ahmedabad. Alright, team 1 has buzzed. Take the mic and give us the answer.
FinShots.
Alright, they say FinShots is the answer, which is absolutely right. And team 1 just got themselves 15 points. Good job, team 1. And now it's clear how this round is going to be played. Are you all ready for the next question? Okay, let us reset the buzzers. Please check if your buzzers have been reset. And the first clue for question 2. This Gurgaon-based company initiated its offline presence in 2021 as part of its Aapki Side Hai campaign. It launched 15 stores for providing insurance solutions across India once it received the broker's license from the regulator IRDAI. Team 3 has buzzed the buzzer. Please pass the mic.
Is it Policy Bazaar?
They say Policy Clue 2. It was co-founded by Yashish Dahiya, Alok Bansal and Avnish Nirjar in 2008. And clue 3. Akshay Kumar as its brand ambassador. Do you think she is right? And the answer absolutely is Policy Bazaar. A round of applause for Team 3. So Team 3, this was on your first clue, so you get plus 20. Plus 20 for Team 3 and a reset of the buzzers. If you're ready, fingers on the buzzer while we move on to question 3. Proceed. This organization was established in 1988 as a non-statutory body and assumed unprecedented importance post-1991. Team 1 is the first one to press the buzzer. Mike?
माइक पास करने के लिए बैठा होती
SEBI.
Alright, team 1 says SEBI. Let's take a look at the other clues. Headed by Madhavi Bhatt and the first woman and a private sector chairman of the organization.
Correct.
Do you still think your answer is right?
सही आंसर है
The organization is entrusted with the responsibility of regulating and developing securities markets, stock exchange, brokers and listed companies. Right or wrong?
Right.
Absolutely yes, the answer is SEBI and team 1 gets plus 20. Good going teams. And with this, let's reset the buzzers and moving on to question 4. Teams, are you ready? Dropping out of school into the market is a book on his life lessons that he gathered by not pursuing formal school education. This is your first clue. You have to tell me who the he is. Dropping out of school into the markets is a book on his life. No buzzers, okay? Team 5 is the first person to buzz. Alright, they are saying on the mic.
ये गलत है
Nikhil Kamath.
Alright, he is saying it could be Nikhil Kamath. Let's take a look at clue 2. Which are the teams that buzzed? Team 1 and Team 5 have buzzed. Okay, let's look at clue 2. He is the co-founder of these 3 companies, True Beacon, Gruhas and something else. Okay, are you sure of your answer? Okay, he has a podcast with his name WTF Is and he has interviewed Bill Gates, Nandan Nilekani among the others. So the answer of course, great job, is Nikhil Kamath. That gives team 5 another 20 points and a reset on the buzzers.
Buzzers have been reset. Moving on to our next question. Oh, alright, that is the end of the buzzer round. So let's quickly take a look at the scores.
Team 1, 35 points. Team 2, 0. Team 3, 40. Team 4, 0. Team 5, 40. Team 6, 40.
So we have 3 teams that are on 40 points. Looks like we are heading for tie breaks very soon, but we still have 2 more rounds. So let's go on to the next round, which is the connect round. Let us look at the rules for the connect round as well. We have 6 questions. These are also on the buzzer. All the elements have a common theme or answer. All the questions, of course, on the buzzer. Plus 20 for the right answer, minus 10 for the wrong answer. But of course, the first one is an example that goes out to my audience. Alright, and here's the example example question for audience. Who can tell me what is the connect? Please raise your hands. Yes, first hand. Very, very good. A round of applause to her. And these are the images that are on the reverse side of currency notes. Okay? Your answers, teams, should be reverse side of currency notes or images on currency notes. In case you tell me Sanchi Stupa or Mangalyaan or Hampi Chariot, it will be counted as minus 10. Alright? Clear? Okay. And let's start off with round 4. This is again a buzzer round. Clearing the buzzers. And let's start with question 1. Connect all these. There are some. This is for the teams. I know that one person in the audience is raising their hand. Team 3 has buzzed. Team 3, please give me the answer. Team 3. Bank of Baroda is just one of it. Unfortunately, wrong answer. Minus 10 for Team 3. And after this, who is the next person who is buzzed? Only one team buzzed. Come on, rest of the teams. If you know the answer, you can buzz. Otherwise, do not buzz. There is negative marking here. Team 2 buzzed. Punjab National Bank is also just one of it. Unfortunately, minus 10 for Team 2 as well. Is anybody else buzzing? No, you can't. Unfortunately, you cannot answer it now. Team 3 and Team 2 got minus 10. 2 teams got a minus on this. Fairly simple question. No other teams are buzzing. Opening it out to the audience. Yes. Which one? That is just one of it. Oh no. Close the buzzing for this. Close the buzzing. Close the buzzer. I left it to the audience. Okay? Okay, somebody else? What are all these? You can guess for no points. No, I said close of buzzers and then I went to the audience. You can answer, but you will not get points. Yes? Yeah. Absolutely, the answer was banks, unfortunately. You will get 1 minute only to be able to come up with the answer. Okay? They got the answer slightly late. I will not be able to award them points. But of course, all of them are banks. So let's quickly take a look at this. Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank. What are the I's and the C's? ICICI. A word given as affirmative. Yes, bank. And the last one? Axis. Very good. And with that, moving on. The banks of India. So this is how it goes. If you give me the answer to any one picture in the slide, it's considered a negative point. You have to tell me what is the connect. And moving on, let us reset the buzzers. Yeah. I just need the common theme. If you don't know all of them, it's absolutely fine. No, you won't. Ready with that? Let's go on to the next one. Buzzers have been reset, fingers on the buzzer. And this is your question.
From Italian word meaning broken bench, then you have a lot of clues, Tupperware, IBBI, and some images along with Weaver, and a clip from one of the very popular shows. Team 2 has buzzed. Alright, can you say it out on the mic? Pass the mic.
Bankruptcy.
Team 2 says bankruptcy. Can you explain?
Tupperware just got bankrupt.
Okay.
Other also indicate.
I didn't say it, I declare it.
Alright, you still get points whether you can identify each one or not. That is plus 20 for Team 2. Good job, Team 2. The term that I was looking for is bankruptcy.
I declare bankruptcy!
Alright, and with that, let's reset the buzzers.
Yeah, man.
Buzzers are reset. Moving on to my next one. Alright, and the next reveal. Connect all these things. Nobody is buzzed as yet. Think about it. I'll still give you time to make the connections, to understand what each picture is and make the connection. A minute that has gone out. 10 seconds. Okay, they're requesting 10 seconds. I give them 10 seconds, after which I'll throw it out to the audience. But the audience are also unusually quiet, which means nobody knows the answer. Very quiet audience for this question. Not really? That is the right answer. Oh, the answer is correct. Okay, the fear of the negative makes you give up on the positive, unfortunately. So the fear of getting minus 10 made them give up on the plus 20. Alright, that is... What are the connections? Yes, I'll give it to Limi. She'll tell you what the connections are while I move back on the slides. Yeah.
Garage, vehicle management. Then we have the Mint, the P2P lending. Then we have the Cred Escapes, travel section of Cred. And the Kuvera, mutual fund platform acquired by Cred. We have the Periscope there, which is the travel and culture magazine by Cred. And we have Rahul Dravid, who is the Cred manager, who is a part of the Cred.
Alright, and moving on to the next one. Sorry, the answer of course is Cred, and we have question 4 in the connect round. The buzzers have been reset, and here's your question. The next one, 6. How are all these people related to each other? You don't have to mention individual names, just tell me how.
All of them are RBI governors.
Alright, they're saying RBI governors. Let me check if they're getting plus 10, plus 20 or minus 10. They decided to go over their fear of the negative. And the answer is RBI governors. Great job, Team 5. I was just building the tension up for them. They're all staring at me. Okay, and moving on. The buzzers have been reset. Moving on to the next question of the connect round. Here it is, question 5. Okay, blank faces, so I'm going to give you a clue. This will take you back to the days of playing games. Okay. Oh my god, nobody seems to get the answer. I'm going to tweak my clue even more. In fact, I'm not even supposed to give you clues, but I'm giving you clues to lead you to the answer. Not only indoor games, this will take you back to your days of board games. Team 3 has buzzed. Alright, Team 3 says Monopoly. What makes you say Monopoly?
I am crash.
What is your
Server
answer?
crash.
We'll give them both points. Okay? Why do you think it's Monopoly? The hat is from Monopoly? It's all Monopoly pieces that we use. Alright, let's see if both of you get minus 10 or both of you get plus 20.
Last one.
Oh yeah, the buzzers malfunction, which can be an advantage to one team here. It is Monopoly tokens. So those of you who have played Monopoly, the original version of Monopoly at least, you know that those are all the different tokens or the pieces that are there in Monopoly. And moving on to the last question of the Connect round, buzzers reset. Okay, the buzzers are reset. Maybe we will announce or we'll give it a couple of seconds to reset. One. Okay, two teams have buzzed. Team 2 is the first team to have buzzed.
MRF.
MRF is the answer. All right. What makes you say MRF?
Kohli is the brand ambassador and it's the slogan of MRF. You can bet on it, my friend.
All right. It is MRF. They're giving me an updated answer. They're saying MRF ZLX, but the answer I have, of course, is MRF. So that's 20 points to Team 2. All right. And with this, that brings us to the end of round 4. We have an audience question by the time they come up with the points. Audience, are you ready? Okay, and here's your question. The program originated in 2001 in Japan, where it was called Tigers of Money. The first program to air outside Japan was Britain's Dragon's Den, and Dragon's Den was again replaced by another creature that more appropriately suited the function. Now, which program are we talking about? We have one hand. Shark Tank. It is. Good job. Yes, that's the right answer. And it is Shark Tank. Have you collected more than 2 sets of goodies so far? Okay, there you get your set of goodies. Okay, and the teams on stage. Are you ready for the final round? Before that, let's have a quick look at the scores. Team 1, 55 points. Team 2, 30 points. Team 3, 50 points. Team 4, 0. Team 5, 16. And Team 6, 40. Please note, we took accounts of the minus. Last round is a fairly easier round, but that also happens on the buzzer. So you don't have to wait for me to complete the question. However, there are negative points. So here, the last round is the hotspot round. Okay, so you have 6 questions again, all 6 questions on the buzzer. Rules are the same, plus 20 for correct answer, minus 10 for the wrong answer. And let's, yes? Each one is, each question, single question. Open for all, it goes by the buzzer. We will wait 3-4 seconds before we announce the people who have buzzed, because it is taking time to accumulate the people who have buzzed. Alright, if you're ready, here it is. The first question for you all, buzzers have been reset, here it is. Which app's name was chosen to bring the pitcher personality to the center of the economy, as his research included the Reserve Bank of India and the concept of a finance commission? Take a look at the picture. That will give you a huge clue to what the answer is. This is the rapid fire round. Complete silence from the audience as well. Okay, how many teams have buzzed? 2 teams, Team 4 and Team 1. Okay, first chance going out to Team 4. Has given me the right answer, but he refuses to say it loudly. The answer he gave me is Bheem UPI. And yes, the answer is Bheem app, or the Bharat interface for money. Good job, that is plus 20 for Team 4. Team 4? Next time, if you're not loud, I'm not giving you points. All right. So that was the first question and 20 points going out to Team 4. Moving on to our next question. Buzzers are reset, and here it is. Okay. Identify this company which listed on the NYSE in 2015 with a creative stock ticker that said RACE. We are not saying NSE, we are saying NYSE. And the name of the stock ticker is RACE.
Two teams have buzzed. The first team to buzz is team 6. Team 6, go for it. Alright, can you say it on the mic?
Ferrari.
How did you come up with Ferrari?
The red and the red theme.
And the red theme. Perfect. I like the way you people are thinking, with Ferrari being absolutely the right answer. That's plus 20 for team 6. Okay? Great going. 4 more questions till the end of this quiz. So here's... Can I have all the mobiles on the table? All of you cannot Google the answers. Put all the mobiles on the table. You can leave it on the table and click the buzzer from there. Yes. Alright. And moving on to our next question. Buzzers have been reset. Here's your question. The Roman soldiers were given salary based on the amount of a common household item they could buy using the money allotted. The substance that is commonly used in food to taste better is this. So let us see. Looks like one team has buzzed. Only one team? Okay. There are 2 teams that have buzzed. The first team to buzz is team 3. Salt. Alright. Team 3 is saying salt. Like, my God, that is so obvious, the way she said salt. Alright, shall we check if the answer is right? And it is salt. That is plus 20 for team 3. Great job. Buzzers. Reset the buzzers. Question 4. Teams, if you're ready, here is the next question. The Mudra series of Indian rupee coins featured Bharatanatyam gestures pressed on one of the coin sides. These hand gestures were meant to help a set of people identify the value of what they were holding. Now, these coins are an aid to whom? Team 1 has pressed the buzzer first. Go for the answer, team 1. Pass the mic to them, team 2.
Visually impaired.
Alright, team 1 says visually impaired. They look like they made a mistake by pressing the buzzer, but they seem to have figured the answer. Yes, it is visually impaired. Okay, that is a plus 20 for team 1. And moving on to our next question. Question 5. The buzzers are reset. And here it is. What is the name of this chart pattern in technical analysis? It shares its name with a popular FMCG brand due to one peak being higher than the other 2. So those of you who are investing in stock market, candlestick is the wrong answer. Which is the next team? Team 5.
Head and shoulders.
Yes, team 5, head and shoulders is absolutely the right answer. That gives team 5 plus 20. Team 5 plus 20. Head and shoulders, and that was the FMCG brand. Last question of the last round. Are you all ready for the last question? Come on, yes, that's the spirit. Here is question 6. On whose birth anniversary did Zerodha Varsity come up with this educative post? Don't look at your returns daily, don't listen to stock tips, and don't say, I can time the markets. First team to buzz, team 1, pass the mic.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Alright, team 2 says Mahatma Gandhi. And absolutely right answer. Okay, so now you are waiting for... Why are you looking so sad? Mahatma Gandhi is the absolute right answer. Before the points are announced, we have the last audience question. So audience, if you are ready, here's the question for you. What is the 2-word name of small case collection with gold in it? It is named a Greek myth in which a king turned anything to gold. Okay, a hand going up there. Midas touch. Do you also have an answer?
King Midas.
You also have the same answer. Let's take a look and see what the answer is. It is Midas touch. A round of applause for her. And goodies. Let's give them another minute. But before I get up with the scores itself, how was this quiz? For the people on the stage? Okay?
First of all, Like all the teams give.
Very generous of him. He is actually saying these people out there who are sitting there have come from various different colleges. They are here at 8:30 in the morning, and a round of applause for them for making the effort on a weekend morning. Great job. Anybody else wants to say something about the quiz before the scores come up? Team 1. Come on. Alright, thank you for that. And fine. Now I'm handing the mic over to Annette to announce we will start with the third runner-up.
चार लोग जाएंगे इसमें.
Yes, okay, I'm handing it over to Annette. Go with the second runners-up. Okay.
Second runner-up. Yeah.
Who do you think is the second runners-up? Okay. The second runners-up is Team 3. Okay. And the first runners-up is Team 1. And who do you think is the winner?
Five.
And the winner is Team 1. Oh, sorry, Team 5. I'll also tell you the scores. So the winning team, which is the Team 5, you got 80. And the first runner-up, Team 1, 75. And then the second runner-up, Team 3, you have a score of 70. Shall we also? Yeah, Team 2 and Team 6, 50 points each, and Team 4 with 20. Collect their certificates and the goodies with a loud round of applause from my audience as well. Go on. So I've seen a few of them as volunteers standing outside. It's nice to see them grab a place in the Zerodha Varsity quiz today. I have Bhavadarani. Alright, over to Bhavadarani. Then I have Harshini and Pushti. The first runners-up, which is Team 1. I like to invite Team 1 on stage, the first runners-up for today. We have Yash Agarwal. You are Yash. Then we have Mayank Agarwal. And we have Navleen Kaur. Congratulations. And the goodie bags for them as well. Thank you. And of course, with the loudest round of applause, I would like to call upon the winners, which is Team 5. Come on, winners. We have Harshali, who is the accidental participant today. Adarsh, congratulations. And we have Siddesh. Congratulations to the winners of Zerodha Varsity Quiz at IIM Jammu and goodie bags for them.